out there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ada, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a beautiful Valentine's Day balloon backdrop. So if you're interested in learning, just keep on watching. Alrighty, so now supplies. I have a couple of balloons here with me. I have different shades of pink, some red, and some white plastic balloons. We're going to be using the white ones to double stuff some pink so that we could create a lighter shade of pink. I also have electric balloon pump. You could buy any electric balloon pumps honestly on Amazon. They're not that expensive. You could even use regular handheld balloon pump. These are great because I also have some foil balloons that I'm gonna be adding to my balloon garland, and you can't use the electric one. You have to use a manual one or an electric one that's designed specifically for foil balloons, because the foil balloons, they have a seal inside that if you use your electric one, you're gonna melt it and then they won't be able to seal properly. I also have little add-ons that we're going to be adding to our balloon garland. These are totally optional, but they create a fuller and more luxurious look to your balloon. To construct our balloon garland, I'm going to be using a combination of 260s, fishing line, and just tying the necks of the balloons together, creating our clusters. I forgot to tell you guys the sizes that I have for my balloons. And all of the colors, I have a 5-inch, a 12-inch, and a 17-inch. To get started, we're gonna keep all of our colors together. We won't be mixing them right now. So what we're gonna do, I'm just grabbing 2 regular 12-inch balloons. I'm gonna blow them up to different sizes. Just keep one smaller than the other one. And if you see, I let some air out, and that way we have 2 different sizes. You could keep your balloons like this, or you could press them a little bit against yourself to create more of a round shape. It's optional which one you want to do. I personally don't think it creates much of a difference, but it's your choice. So what we're going to do is we're going to tie both of our balloons together, and how we do that is we're just going to crisscross your balloon, twist, and then tie. And you're going to want to tie them as close together so that your necks, whatever's left of the balloon, it's long, because later on we're going to be creating clusters that we're going to tie to each other, and we're going to use the neck of the balloons to tie and create our garland. So you want to have that long neck that is stretchy, that's going to help you later. You're done blowing up all your balloons, or you could do this while you work, it's up to you. You're going to grab your duplex and you're going to crisscross them. Don't be afraid. Your balloons sometimes will pop, but you know, most often than not they won't. So just twist and twist and twist to make sure you have really sturdy, that they won't come apart. And once you have 2 of these, we can crisscross them together. But if you're scared that they're gonna like untwist on you, what you could do is you're gonna grab one neck. So remember how we left the long necks in our balloons? So you're gonna pull one of them up, and you're gonna go inside your other quad, and you're gonna pull it up again. And now that you have your 2, we're just gonna tie those 2 together. And now you have your first cluster. This one, it won't come apart. Just make sure you tie them well together, and you're just gonna want to do that with all the colors. We'll stuff our balloons. To get a different shade of pink, I'm just simply gonna use a pencil and my 2 balloons. I'm gonna use the color balloon, and I'm gonna put it inside of the white balloon, and that's gonna give us a different lighter shade. Now I'm using the neck of the balloons to tie my clusters together so I can create the base of my garland. just going to be using some fishing line so I could tie my balloon to my backdrop stand. I do apologize because the next couple of clips are going to be totally out of frame. I didn't realize it until it was too late, but right now all I'm doing is I'm adding the top part of my garland using 260 balloons, tying them all around to connect it to the part that I already have down. Now that we have the base of our garland down, we're going to be adding some shape to it by adding 17-inch balloons and more clusters to make it look fuller. Once you're happy with how your garland's looking, you're gonna be adding your 5-inch balloons with some U-glued dashes. So these dashes are the best ones, and you could buy them on Amazon. They're perfect for balloons so that you can glue latex to latex and even foil balloons. Also, I can't really remember who I saw doing this first, but I like to put my 5-inch balloons inside a trash bag so that I can go up a ladder and I don't have to keep going up and down to get more balloons. It's always good to step back once in a while so that you can really see where you're missing balloons. You could stop right here and it will be fine, but today we're gonna be adding some picks and flowers to make our garland look a little more put together. You guys found this tutorial a little bit helpful on how to create your very own balloon garland, and if you want to learn how I created the marquee letters at the end, just go over to my Instagram where I have a short tutorial on how I did them. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys hopefully next time. Bye.